Hi, I'm C.R. Willie, and with Expert Village today, we're going to teach you how to clean and pressure wash your houses, driveways, pool decks. This is my buddy Darren, and first thing you want to do is wear some rubber boots, some loose-fitting clothing. I preferably like to wear a long-sleeve tee just to try to keep the grime from getting all over me, mold, mildew. So you always want to check your fluids before you get started. You want to make sure you have enough gas in the tank. You want to have some oil check. It's like pit road. You got to get your machine ready, hoses clear of your feet so they don't trip you up, and anybody can do it. Pressure washing is for everybody. Let's start with the grime. We're going to go to the top of the soffit here, and we're going to work from top to bottom. You want to go from the top of the house, work down, because the water runs down. It's going to moisten the wall where you can get some water on it. You always want to wet the surface before you start pressure washing so it loosens up some of the filth. So here we go, Expert Village. Let's hook up the pressure washer and get her going.